morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zelia. I just woke up so my face looks a little bit bloated and I don't have any makeup on because I'm planning to just jump to the water. Oh, actually you cannot jump into the pool. The whole area is empty because we woke up really early. I'm just gonna enjoy some mineral water and then I'll get back to you guys later. This is the cold water and this is water that we just pressed for jacuzzi. Finished soaking up some good water. I just went to the hot one and now I'm going to the cold one. I really know why the people that have like really silky soft skin, because after you go to the hot water and then you go to the cold water, your skin is gonna come out and turn out really soft. It's really good for you. My bones were hurting last night. I just soak it. I feel so much better. Now you know why people go to onsen. The view over here is also really mesmerizing. We have some snow outside and it's pretty cool. And after all of this, don't forget to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. We are checking out. Stay tuned. Don't move around because right now I'm going to take you all to see the waterfalls. Hey guys, right now we are driving to get a coffee and then we will be going to the Motonoma Fall. This place over here is really mesmerizing, really beautiful. I've never seen so many mountains around me before. This is my first time, so I'm actually very glad that we made this trip out in here, even though driving sucks, but it's alright. This is the first time I've seen this is maple bacon donut. Let's try this. Smells cool. It's like salty and sweet at the same time. Wow, so soft. I don't know how to describe this. It's like sweet and salty, but it's like good. We got a pie too. The coffee shop is called Bigfoot Roosters. Oh, I'm glad that this food, usually American foods are very sweet, like their sweets are insanely sweet, but this apple pie is not very sweet. It's very on point and it's good. Arrived to one of the waterfalls. Hell, this place is very breathtaking. You guys really need to feel it when you arrive here. The feeling is very different from me showing you through my lenses. This fall right next to me is the Horsetail Falls. Hey yo. Right now we are arriving to the most famous waterfall in Oregon. It's called the Multnomah Falls. We might not be able to park, we'll see, because all the parkings over here is crowded. Oh my god. Are you guys ready to see the most famous fall? Ta-da! It's really beautiful. Okay, let's go. So many falls on the way. This is very beautiful, guys. You should definitely come check this place out if you have the opportunity to. I want to walk a little bit of the trail. We're gonna go up all the way up and let's see. Actually very cold. The top of this waterfall is very slippery. My hair is also all wet. Super close to the waterfall. Hi guys, this is another fall here. This is called the Wahkeena Falls. Check this out, it's very pretty, right? If you go all the way to this historical, kind of like a trail, so this is like the Mount Hood, and they have a lot of waterfalls coming all the way. I don't know how to describe this. This is really cool because all the way you drive through it, this is all the historical places, and there's a lot of waterfalls. I'm sure you'll love this trip if you're ever coming to Portland, Oregon. Hi guys, so we are back to Portland right now and we are getting some really fancy donuts. They're called Voodoo Doughnut. It's famous here. Like food fast. Smelling really good in here too. We're getting a lamb gyro and clam chowder soup. This place is really cool because there's like a lot of trucks with different types of variety, different types of cuisine, good food. Hi guys, it's evening right now. We're heading back to Seattle. Had so much fun filming for you all. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you really like this type of vlogging, please don't forget to comment down below and give me a thumbs up or subscribe. I will be really happy to vlog more of cool things